Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Intro explains the goal of showing how to install Alight Motion on a PC. So, let's get started. You're told to open a browser and search Download Alight Motion PC. Click the first search result, presumed to be the download source. Scroll and click the download link to get the file. Wait for install. You can see install the app. The video concludes with confirmation that you've learned how to install it. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.